This is the sandhill cranes at the Kiwanis. There's thousands of them. Kiwanis Park in Bellevue, Michigan. These are all sand hills. Try and zoom in a little bit. Big flocks. Roosting area. The first time we've ever been here. It's pretty cool. We almost didn't find it. We went to the wrong spot.
It's just kind of cool to see this stuff.
Oh, this is just the best up.
It is. Look at that. Unless they're very slow. They are prehistoric, you know.
They're just flying around, talking to each other.
That's cool.
There's a lot of people here observing. They do this in October. So they're gathering up to start heading south to Florida.
Circling around a little bit.
The original snowbirds.